Study here is not so stressful. It's more relaxed and supported by teachers. We had several practice in real restaurants and cafeterias in Jyväskylä.
The Finnish education system is very good because they are based on the practical teaching and practical learning. The teachers here are very kind, helpful and friendly.
The learning environment here is very quite hands-on and supportive. The teachers encourage us to be more creative as well as maintaining the professional standards. It's like working in a real kitchen.
The teachers are professionals. They take time to teach you. They are accommodating, helpful, and they give like a personal touch.
We work in teams here because kitchen work is always teamwork. Every day you learn something new. I have got a lot of skills to work in real life.
Jyväskylä is a good place to focus on learning and build a new life.
Don't be scared. Follow your dreams. You will succeed.